Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. I am your teacher Nilofer. Subject is English, grade 6, lecture number 1. Topic: The Wolf Children 1, book page number 95-96, exercise number C. There are nouns, pronouns and homophones. Students, as you know about all these parts of speech, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. For example, man, city, country, etc. So come on page number 95. Here are question number 2 is supply suitable nouns which can be described by these adjectives. You also know that about adjectives. Adjective describe a noun, okay? Now here adjective is a humid. So afternoon is noun. Another one is a mature person, a powerful wrestler. You can also write other words, okay? An adhesive resin, an excessive amount, an obsolete machine, an ancient building. Ancient means old. A spectacular display, a defective rifle. So next one is pronoun. As you know, pronoun, we use pronoun instead of a noun. There are different kinds of pronouns. For example, relative pronouns. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that. Another one is possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, their. Another is interrogative pronouns. For example, who, whom, whose, which, what, where, when, how. Okay, students. Now our question number 1 is page number 96. Question number 1 is use a relative pronoun to combine these sentences. The bus took the children to the cinema. So the another sentence is the cinema was in the town. So write it. The bus took the children to the cinema which was in the town. So instead of the cinema, we write it which was. These are the happy boys. Their paintings were displayed in the exhibition. So we write it as these are the happy boys whose paintings. So instead of their paintings, we write here whose paintings were displayed in the exhibition. This is Asif. Asif is a good pianist. So we write it here just like this. This is Asif, who is a good pianist. We went to see the patient. The patient had malaria. So we write it as we went to see the patient who had malaria. So instead of the patient, we write here who had malaria. Give me the knife. I bought the knife yesterday. So we write it here as give me the knife which I bought yesterday. Sakina is the girl I spoke to you about. Sakina. So write it here as Sakina is the girl whom I spoke to you about. So put some, question number 2. Put suitable relative pronouns in the blank. It was the major who led the attack? So here is who. This is a blank. Okay. The eggs which we bought yesterday were all bad. The boy whose leg was broken left the hospital today. This is the kind of table which you ought to make. The person whom the police arrested last week left the court in handcuffs. So student, our next topic is homophones. Homophones mean same sounding words but their meanings are different. So here are some same sounding words: there, where, rain, sent, etc. So you write your own sentences. Okay, this is your homework. You can do it by yourself. Okay, students, have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.